Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I always say episode, I don't know what to call these things. I absolutely love doing these because being a millennial and a beauty junkie, I definitely jump on these like trends and fads that are even going on in wellness. So for this self-care Sunday episode, I'm gonna take you guys with me to Purify Sauna Lounge, which is an infrared sauna. These were very, very buzzy back in like 2017, and that's actually when I got my membership. So I've been going to the sauna since the end of summer of 2017. It just makes me feel so good. So I wanted to share this little experience with you guys. There's always some must do to live longer, a better life. And even if some of these things aren't exactly backed by heavy research or very scientific, some of these claims that these workouts or products or treatments will do for you, I still love to try them all because I feel like because my mind believes it, like if my mind truly believes it, it's very self-fulfilling. So I honestly feel super good whenever I drink a certain elixir or whatever. And I've literally tried it all, like the Nike Fuel Band, aerial yoga, matcha, collagen elixirs, intermittent fasting, whatever the like newest trend. I was on the soy milk, then the almond milk, then the oat milk bandwagon every single time a new milk comes out. Oh yeah, even the golden milk. I'm super into turmeric. And I really want to freeze myself and try that cryotherapy just to, you know, like boost my metabolism a little bit. So today, like I said, I am going to take you with me to the infrared sauna. So infrared saunas, they have a lot of claims as far as like detoxifying and weight loss. But what I have noticed and what I personally love about the infrared sauna is that my body feels very relaxed and rested. You know when you work out and you feel like you have like a buzz going, like this adrenaline, feel-good endorphins are bursting through your body. Then after, once you like sit down and kind of settle, you feel very like relaxed. So that's basically how I feel after leaving these infrared saunas. And I'm gonna actually talk with Lauren, who works at Purify Sauna, so you'll hear a little bit more about it through her. So what I personally love is, yes, that feeling of euphoria and then that restfulness. And I sleep a lot better. So I love going to these things more so towards the evening. So that way I like just kind of get into my nighttime routine. The other thing that I really love about it is that it allows me to disconnect completely, because you are in there for 40 minutes and your phone will literally only last in the sauna for like maybe 10 if you're lucky, because then it'll be like iPhone needs to cool down, like it's overheated. And they do have a TV in there, and the default is always like this meditative music. So I usually just leave it on there. It's like nature sounds, and it just allows me to disconnect, and I love that. I feel like that's so important for me because I am always so connected online. I mean, that's my job, right? So I really love to go to this just to, which then kind of leads into like a little bit of a meditation. I like to just focus on my breath when I'm in there. I truly get all of the benefits of disconnecting, and because it is for such a long period of time, I'm able to really like withstand meditation because I'm not the best meditator. So is that a word? Meditator? And then the other thing that I notice is definitely glowy skin as soon as I leave. I feel like when you sweat, you get that like nice flush. So I'm very like radiating, and I love that. And also my stomach is super flat because you lose like water weight. So it's literally maybe for like an hour that my stomach is flat, and then as soon as I like guzzle water, it's like back to normal. But I kind of enjoy that flat stomach moment for that short period of time. So let's go ahead and head over to Purify Sauna so you guys can kind of see exactly what it looks like.
There's music to it.
We're going in. So I booked an appointment for a double, and these sauna rooms heat up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. I literally thrive in the heat though. I love it so much. It feels a lot like being outside in the sun, which again I love, especially during the colder days or when it rains, but it doesn't have all of the harmful effects from the UV rays. The raising of the body temperature really gets my heart and blood pumping. I always notice it in my veins, like the veins on my forehead, and my body feels like it's working out with literally no effort, so it's awesome. At this sauna, they do have chromotherapy, which is light therapy, and there are different benefits under each color. So light. Green is for universal healing and balancing energy, violet inspires creativity, yellow awakens mental inspiration and brings forth mental clarity, blue is for total relaxation, and then orange is for wisdom. I usually just keep it at red, which is the most energetic and raises the body temperature up the most. So I'm in here for 40 minutes. Sometimes I bring a book, sometimes I just sit and meditate. A lot of the times I'm here stretching naked. I think the less clothes in the sauna, the better. It's very liberating as well. It feels really nice, you guys. But for the sake of this video, we'll go ahead and towel it up. When it hits about 20 minutes on the timer, my mind tends to start watching the clock. But overall, it's not like a get me out of here type of feeling. When it gets to about 10 minutes left on the timer, if you don't have anything keeping you preoccupied, like I never watch TV in there, that's when it starts to feel a little bit like, okay, I'm ready to get out. But honestly, it's not that bad. When there is about 5 minutes left on the timer, I'll grab the eucalyptus towels that they provide, which I love. It's literally one of my favorite parts of this whole process. I loved it so much that I made them at home for when I'm feeling extra AF. So here, I'll show you how you can do this at home as well. So you're gonna need some washcloths. I just bought a pack from Amazon, and then fill a bowl with a couple cups of water. Add about 10 drops of eucalyptus essential oils. You can see here, I am very extra. I don't know when to stop, so anyways, just stir that up. And then one at a time, submerge the towel into the mixture and squeeze out the excess liquid. Then you fold it in half and roll it up. I'm placing mine in this little like glass pan thing that I have. You can place it on a plate or a cookie sheet, whatever you have. Just put it in a single layer. This is seriously so easy and it makes you feel so good. This is so great for after you work out, or when you're trying to relax, or for this hot weather that is approaching for the summertime. So once you're all done rolling them up, place them in the freezer, pop them out when they're nice and cool, and you got yourself an at-home spa relaxation time. I'm here with Lauren. She works here at Purify Sauna, and for me, I always feel like super relaxed after I do this. Like I literally feel so tired. Like I sleep so well. But I just wanted everybody else to kind of know for their benefits. How else does this benefit our bodies?
Honestly, it depends on different people's bodies. For me, one of the first things that I notice, I'm somebody that wakes up in the middle of the night, and this just helps me to get a full night's sleep. But besides that, my skin was a lot softer. Those were kind of the main benefits that I saw right off the bat.
Me too, actually. My face, like I feel like it cleared up too.
Oh yeah, it helps with acne a lot too,
really,
which is crazy.
I mean, I believe that because that's like something that I noticed as well. As I continue to come.
I know. Further on, once you've been coming a little bit more frequently, it does also help with weight loss. It helps with muscle soreness. That's another thing that I like to do personally. I like to come in after a workout. Helps keep me, you know, fresh the next day, able to work out the next day. If I do a hard workout, you know, I don't like being super
Do you like
sore.
stretch in there? I'm like stretching in there.
I do.
Like,
I love the
so
doubles.
nice.
I know some people like the singles because you sweat a little bit more, but I like the doubles. You're able to stretch out a little bit, and even some people work out in there. We have some weights in the back. Some people do work out in there, which is crazy. It's 150 degrees, but power to them. Also with joint pain, it helps with joint pain a lot too. So we have a couple of clients who come in who are cancer patients who are going through chemo, and they say that it helps them a lot too. So especially with the essential oils and things like that that we have in the cold towels, it really does help.
Can you speak a little bit more on like the infrared? How is that better than just like a regular sauna?
So with the infrared technology, it's supposed to heat you from the core out, which is a little bit different than a regular gym sauna where you may just be losing water weight. With the infrared technology, it's really supposed to help you from within. And that's where the detoxification really comes into play, and the joint pain and muscle soreness and stuff like that.
I absolutely love it, so I would highly recommend anybody to do it. It's like such a self-care thing too.
Oh yeah,
right?
I would say that's probably a lot of the clients that we have come in are like single moms or just moms in general who need that hour of space to themselves. I mean, this is the perfect way to do it. You're relaxing and detoxifying.
And you can't have your cell phone because it will overheat. So you like literally have to disconnect.
You're disconnecting from the world for an hour,
All right, thanks so much for talking a little bit more. So let me know if you guys would try this out. I'm so excited to bring you along to some of the other crazy shit that I do to make myself feel real good. Definitely give this video a like if you're into that. That way I know, like I know a lot of people say that, but I honestly continue to do certain videos based on the feedback that I get from you. If you want to see more, definitely let me know. And I hope you have a really relaxing me time kind of Sunday just to prep you for the week ahead. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.